Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create Dataflow with Salesforce Einstein Analytics Studio. So log into developer edition of Salesforce Analytics, and then in the app launcher you will find Einstein Analytics Studio. Okay, so I'm skipping the name Einstein and instead just going with Analytics and Analytics Studio here. So here you tap onto this Analytics Studio, which will open in new tab and look something like this. Now then we click on this data manager, that will also open in new tab, and then we will go for data flow. Now to create new data flow and recipes, we have these two tabs. One shows data flows, another shows recipes. Okay, now in order to create a data flow, we will click on create data flow. Here we have to give it a name. Let's see, my app data flow. Okay, then click on create. Now here you can create your filters and queries, and based on that you will create your data flow, and then you can also run the data flow at the end. So you will get the idea how to create a data flow in Einstein Data Manager.